I just heard somebody knock on my door, guys. Who could it be? Wait. It could be my dad again, though. My hand. Mother! Is that you? Hello? It's my mother. You must have come to eat dinner. Okay, come on. Gravity. Gravity.
Attack!
Then come over here. Come on. Oh my gosh, lady. Stand up. Come on. Get in there. Okay, I guess I will. Let's eat dinner together. Okay, so we got a plate, and a plate, and a cup, and a cup, and an apple, and an apple, and an egg, and another egg. Delicious. Here, you should eat some too, Mother. Mother? Hello? Here, let me help you. Boom. There we go. Here you go. Oh, got something in your head, ma'am. Thank you, Mother, for having dinner with me. Wow, she is so nice.